बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Welcome to all students and parents in our second video session of first semester. This is class 5 and period is mathematics. As we have studied unit number 4 mixed operation lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in our daily classes when you are coming in school. Now today we will continue our unit number 4 mixed operation from lesson number 5, which is calculation with brackets. The name of our lesson is calculation with brackets. Now what are brackets? Bracket is an operation of mathematics. जिस तरह से आपके पास as you have plus minus multiply divide, similarly you have an operation bracket. If a calculation involves a bracket, then how will we solve our question? अगर हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन में ब्रैकेट हो तो हम किस तरह से अपने क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे? We have so many operations, plus minus multiply divide. So we have to solve our question by BODMAS method. BODMAS एक मेथड है जिसके जरिए हम कोई क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सॉल्व ब्रैकेट. BODMAS, in BODMAS B stands for bracket. Here B stands for brackets. O stands for power of. You will study power of in lesson number 6. D is for division. Here B stand for brackets, O stand for power of, D stand for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and in the last S stands for subtraction. If a question has so many operations like brackets, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, then you have to solve the first bracket. सबसे पहले आपको bracket को solve करना होगा. Then power of, then division, multiplication, addition, and in the last you have to subtract. इस तरह से आपको question को अपने solve करना है. In lesson number 5 you have question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are starting from question number 4. Student, as you are making title pages in daily classes, similarly you will maintain your copy according to the date wise, content wise, which will be given to you as soon as possible, and you have to make a lesson page of title page of every lesson. हर lesson का अपने title page बनाने जिस तरह से आप क्लास में बनाते थे. Now question number 1 is answer these. Here I am solving part B. As part A I have explained in classes. First you have to rewrite your question, then you will solve first bracket. सबसे पहले आप ब्रैकेट वाली चीज को सॉल्व करेंगे जो भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर है. You will maintain your rough column. Now first I have solved bracket 8 6 are 48, then I will add 35 plus 45 is equals to 83. Similarly you will solve question number 1 part AB, question number 2 part AB, and now come to the question number 3. I am explaining question number 3 part A. First you will solve your bracket 14 plus 8 which is 22. Then after bracket you solve power of, but here power of is not present. Then you will solve division, but division is not present. Then you will come to multiply. So you will multiply first 24 multiply by 22. You will do here double multiplication, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. When you have done one multiplication, you put cross here, then you will multiply the second digit, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. First you will multiply by unit digit, then you will multiply by tens digit. Now in multiplication the answers will be add. आपके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के क्वेश्चंस में आखिर में यहाँ पे आंसर्स ऐड करवा देते हैं. 8 plus 4 12, 12 2 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5. The answer is 528. Now you will subtract 50 from 528. 8 minus 0 8. 5 cannot be subtracted from 2, so you will borrow 1 from here. It will be changed into 12. 12 minus 5 7 and 4 as it is. The answer is 478. Similarly you will solve question number 3 part C, question number 4 part A, question number 4 part C from content solution. Now come to the try this. This is on book page number 41. In new edition book it will be on 41 page, and in old edition book it will be on page number 39. So I mention new book page number 41. In try this using only the digits 2 4 5 7 9. आपको डिजिट्स दिए हुए 2 4 5 7 एंड 9. यूजिंग ओनली द डिजिट, सिर्फ आप ये वाली डिजिट यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड एनी ऑपरेशन प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, और कोई भी ऑपरेशन यूज कर सकते हैं प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड. मेक ईच ऑफ द नंबर्स बिलो, जो आपको क्वेश्चन में नंबर का आपने वो बनाना है. कैन यू फाइंड डिफरेंट वेज, डिफरेंट वेज मतलब डिफरेंट मेथड से, डिफरेंट तरीकों से आप इस आंसर को मेक करेंगे, बनाएंगे टू मेक दीज नंबर्स. ये नंबर बनाने के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज ब्रैकेट. ब्रैकेट यूज करने नहीं भूलने. जिस तरह से आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस नजर आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट भी यूज हुआ है, कोई ऑपरेशन यूज हुआ है, मल्टीप्लाई प्लस माइनस और डिफरेंट डिजिट यूज हुए हैं. यहाँ पे आपको डिजिट की रिस्ट्रिक्शन है कि 2 4 5 7 9 ही आप यूज कर सकते हैं. इन डिजिट्स को यूज करते हुए आपने डिजिट्स आंसर बनाने 41 एंड 59. नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन 41 इन वीक नंबर 2 डेली क्लासेस. 41 मैंने आपको डेली क्लासेस में मंडे ट्यूसडे जो हमारा वर्क हुआ था उसमें मैंने बनाने सिखा दिया. सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग 59. 59 किस तरह से आप बनाएंगे. We can take 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. So for making 59 बनाने के लिए we have to add what number? 45 में क्या नंबर हम ऐड करें कि हमारे पास क्या बन जाए 59. So we have to add 14. Now 14 will be made by 7 2s are 14. 7 is here and 2 is also here. So we can write 7 2s are 14 and 45 plus 14 is 59. Another method, another way by which you can make 59 is 9 7s are 63. So we have to subtract. To make 59 we have to subtract any number from 63. So what will be the number? 63. आपको क्या बनाना है 59. So you will count 59 up above. 59 के बाद आपके पास हो जाएगा 60, then 61, 62, 63. So you have to subtract 4 from here and 4 is present in our question. So 63 minus 4 is 59. So there are two ways by which we have made 59. You can solve by your own choice. आप अपनी मर्जी से भी किसी भी तरह से 59 बना सकते हैं. But you have to take, सिर्फ आपको यही वाले नंबर लेने हैं. You have to take only the digits which are mentioned in try this. Now the lesson number 5 is completed here. Now come to the next lesson, lesson number 6, which is board mass. First you will make the title page of lesson number 6. As I have explained the term board mass, B stands for brackets, O stands for power of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction in lesson number 5. Now here a new term, power of. What is the meaning of power of? Like a number have a small number on it. This is called power of. एक नंबर पे आपके पास छोटा सा कोई नंबर लिखा तो उसे आप क्या कहते हैं? पावर ऑफ. 7 square. How will you solve 7 square? 7 square means 7 multiplied by 7. If you have 3 square, so you will write 3 multiplied by 3. If you have 9 square, so you will write 9 multiplied by 9. But if you have 3 cube, it means you will write 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. If you have 7 cube, you will write 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. This is called power of. I hope you got this. This is new for you. Now the part 1, now question number 1 is answer this. Part A is 110 minus 7 square plus 22 divided by 2. We are solving question number 1 part A. You will mention all you are working in rougher column. First you will solve your power of 7 square, which is, the answer is 49. Then you will divide 22 by 2. After solving power of, you will do division. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Then you will write 2, 2 ones are 2. The answer is 11. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Now here 110 in plus sign, plus में आपकी ये value and 49 is a negative value and 11 is a positive value. So you have to solve addition first, then you have to subtract. Minus 49, you will solve this into this in the last. First you have to solve positive sign values. So you will write plus 11 in the middle. Then you will add 110 and 11. Which is 121. Then you will subtract 49 from it. Nine cannot be subtracted, so you will borrow. 11 minus 9, 2. 4 cannot be subtracted, so you will borrow from here. 11 minus 4 is 7, here 0. The answer is 72. Similarly, you will solve question number 1 part C and E from this method, and it will be given in your content solution. Now come to the try this of page number 42. This is book page number, not content page number. But A is what we have to do in this question? Rewrite each of these using brackets to make the largest possible answer. Rewrite to make largest possible answer. आपने बड़े से बड़ा जितना मुमकिन हो सके आपने आंसर बनाना है, जितना पॉसिबल हो आपसे. First you will copy, rewrite your question. And suppose here is bracket, यहाँ bracket है, यहाँ पे आप suppose करेंगे. Then you will solve this 8 square. 8 square means in rough work you will solve it. 8 multiply by 8, 8 8s are 64. So 8 square means 64 minus 5 multiply by 3 square. 64 minus 5 is 59 and 3 square means 2 3s are 9. Now after solving power of bracket and then power of, you will solve मल्टीप्लीकेशन. आप इसके बाद मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. 59 9s 9 9s 81, 1 8 carry 9 5s 45 plus 8 53. The answer is 531. In the end you will add your last value 531 plus 14. Now the answer is 545, which is the largest possible answer. You can try by yourself by putting brackets here or here. You will get the smallest answer. This is the largest possible answer which we can make. जो हम possible answer बना सकते थे वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बड़ा इतना ही आपका बनेगा. आप डिफरेंट जगह पे ब्रैकेट अप्लाई करके सॉल्व करके देख सकते हैं कि बाकी आपके यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट अप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका कुछ स्मॉलेस्ट आंसर आ रहा होगा. Now lesson number 6 is completed here. Only part A is in our content. सिर्फ part A हमारे content में था. Now come to the your homework. I hope you got this topic, lesson number 5 and 6. Now note down your homework. Your first homework is do the copy work from given content solution और फाइनल टर्म के कंटेंट सॉल्यूशन से आप होमवर्क करेंगे जो भी आपका वीक नंबर 2 का वर्क होगा. वो सारा वर्क आप कंटेंट से अपनी कॉपी पे मैनेज करेंगे एंड ऑल्सो यू विल सॉल्व द अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस इन योर कॉपी। ये क्वेश्चन भी आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए कॉपी में सॉल्व करेंगे। दिस इज नॉट इन कंटेंट सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्व इट। ओके, I hope you got everything. If you have any problem, so watch this video again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.